What is up, guys? This is the fan in my room. We installed it about a week ago. This is the, 2 weeks ago. This is the Seasons Cabrillo ceiling fan. It's a pretty uncommon fan. I'd say it's rare. You can't really get it on Amazon or eBay. There's only one other copy I've seen in a YouTube video. The same exact fan, but I have the blades flipped the other way. But yeah, let's get into it. Start with the light. It's very bright, surprising for 40-watt light bulbs. Might even be 100. They look like 100. And also, I'm getting a dimmer switch put in. I might even put that in this weekend. This is a dimmer switch itself. You could dim the light if you wanted to. But anyways, yeah, let's get start with high. Wobbling just a bit. That's fine. And it makes a big clicking noise. Okay, to medium it goes. I did upload a short of this before, but now you can see a full video. I can hear a vibrating noise coming from it too, but not that much. Here's low. This is the speed I usually keep it on. Let's turn the light off. As a spotlight kit, I really like spotlight kits. Even though they trigger a lot of OCD, I still like them. Let me just organize that real quick, and there we go. And to off it goes. Let's turn the light back on. It spins down really, really quickly. Here we go. It's off now. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Trying to get to 1K during or before the summer. Anyways, have a good day. Bye.